Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to delete a Discord account. This is a easy process to do. The first step is go to the application of Discord, and here in Discord you need to go to the down part of the app in that options, and you need to go to the down right part, the down right corner here. This is the option of your profile, and after that you need to go to the superior right corner in the option of settings here, and in the option what we need we need to use is the option of cuenta. This is account in English, and after that you need to go down in this option and you get two options: deshabilitar cuenta, this is disable account, and delete account in the red letters. So remember, if you put in the disable account, deshabilitar cuenta, you only disable that account for 30 days. But if you want to delete the account permanently, you need to pick in the option of the red letters and you complete the process. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.